Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
What's up everybody, and welcome to the Instant Tutorials by The Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Roy, and today we're gonna do a very nice hip stretch. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get to it. So, I am very flexible by nature, but not everyone is like this, and with breaking, flexibility gives you more freedom. So, as you can see, my legs and my hips are very open, but sometimes this is not the case. But you can work on this, which you should, because it gives you more freedom, and dancing is about freedom. So I'm gonna have a little help today. I have a very nice assistant. His name is Sky Chief. And so what you're gonna do is you put one leg on your knee. Yes, this one lays down. You're gonna make sure that one leg is on the knee, one is on the hip. You're gonna push this one down, and this way you open the hips. Yes. Boom. Okay, other side. So make sure you have also a very nice assistant with the legs down. Make sure that you apply pressure and push the knee down. Watch out that you don't force the knee. Never force the knee. And boom. Very nice. How do you feel, man?
I feel really flexible.
Oh, nice. So, if you have flexible hips, it's easier to move around. I'm going to show you some examples. If I'm on my back, I can come up because my knee is here. And that's because my hip is open. Yeah? With every move I do, I have very flexible hips. So with everything I'm moving, it's just easier to move around when you have flexible hips. Yes? So, make sure you use this in your practice. Yeah, enough talking. Go stretching and like and subscribe, and see you next week. Peace.
Yo, if you have any tutorials you would like to see, put them in the comments below and we'll get to it. Remember, we do this for the love, but if you want to support